At Age Mastery, we help people of all ages take control of their health naturally. Today, we're revealing something that might change the way you think about your morning coffee. What if your daily cup of coffee could do more than wake you up? For millions of adults over 60, that same cup can either quietly drain your strength, or rebuild it faster than the most expensive supplement. The difference lies in what you stir into it. After 60, the body naturally loses up to 8 of muscle mass every decade. That means higher risk of falls, fractures, fatigue, and loss of independence. But here's the good news: with just a few natural additions, your coffee can become one of the simplest ways to protect your muscles, joints, and energy. Today, we'll uncover 8 science-backed additions you can stir into your morning coffee to turn it into a strength-building, inflammation-fighting elixir. And make sure to watch until the end, because one of these ingredients has been shown to improve mobility in older adults by over 40. Let's begin. 1. Milk or soy milk, simple protein support. Most people add milk for taste or texture. But for seniors, it's a quiet way to strengthen muscles every single morning. Milk provides complete protein, including leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Soy milk offers a plant-based version of the same benefit, with added isoflavones that protect the heart and bones. Even half a cup delivers around 5 grams of protein, enough to help offset overnight muscle loss. If you're lactose sensitive, choose lactose-free milk or fortified soy milk. This one small change helps you build strength naturally, without extra effort. 2. Cinnamon, blood sugar balance and muscle energy. Cinnamon isn't just a spice for desserts, it's a quiet protector of your muscles. As we age, unstable blood sugar can silently steal strength, draining energy and accelerating muscle loss. A simple half teaspoon of cinnamon in your coffee helps stabilize those levels, improving circulation and reducing inflammation. Choose Ceylon cinnamon, sometimes called true cinnamon. It's safer for daily use. This tiny daily habit keeps your muscles fueled, not fatigued. 3. Cocoa powder, better circulation and recovery. Unsweetened cocoa is rich in flavonols, plant compounds that improve circulation, support muscle recovery, and protect arteries. For seniors, healthy blood flow is everything. It delivers oxygen and nutrients directly to the muscles. Just 1 teaspoon of cocoa stirred into your coffee can help your body move more easily and recover faster after walks or light exercise. The flavor blends beautifully, and the science is solid. Cocoa supports stronger legs, a healthier heart, and better overall energy. 4. Coconut or MCT oil, clean fuel for muscles and mind. Unlike regular fats, medium-chain triglycerides in coconut or MCT oil are converted quickly into ketones, a cleaner energy source for both muscles and brain. After 60, many people experience fatigue or brain fog because the body struggles to use glucose efficiently. By switching to ketones, you gain steady, crash-free energy throughout the day. Start small, 1 teaspoon blended into coffee. It creates a smooth, creamy texture while fueling your body and mind. Over time, this habit improves endurance, focus, and muscle stability, especially for those who feel sluggish in the mornings. 5. Chia seeds, fiber, omega-3s, and joint support. These tiny seeds may not look like much, but they're rich in plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber. Ground chia seeds release nutrients that help reduce inflammation, support joints, and balance digestion, all vital for aging well. To get the most benefits, grind them before adding. Whole chia seeds often pass through undigested. A teaspoon stirred into hot coffee creates a light, nutty flavor and powerful nourishment for your muscles, heart, and gut. It's an easy daily upgrade that supports long-term vitality. 6. Collagen powder, rebuild and repair. Collagen is often seen as a beauty supplement, but for seniors, it's foundational for muscle, joint, and bone strength. After 60, your body produces less collagen, leading to stiffness, slower recovery, and creaky joints. A scoop of collagen powder in your coffee provides essential amino acids like glycine and proline, the building blocks for connective tissue. It dissolves easily, has no flavor, and pairs perfectly with coffee's natural circulation boost. Over time, this helps reduce joint discomfort, improve mobility, and support bone density, giving you the freedom to move comfortably again. 7. Whey protein powder, the muscle builder. Protein resistance, known as anabolic resistance, makes it harder to maintain muscle after 60. Whey protein is rich in leucine, the amino acid that turns on the body's muscle-building switch. Adding a scoop of unflavored whey isolate to your morning coffee gives your body the fuel it needs to preserve lean muscle and maintain balance, strength, and independence. It blends smoothly and digests easily, especially if you choose whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey. Think of it as strength insurance, simple, effective, and backed by research. 8. Turmeric with black pepper, nature's anti-inflammatory duo. This golden combination may be the most powerful addition of all. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown to reduce inflammation, protect arteries, and even rebuild muscle strength. But it needs help to be absorbed. That's where black pepper comes in. Just a small pinch boosts absorption by up to 2,000, turning turmeric into a natural anti-aging powerhouse. Together with coffee's circulation boost, it supports joints, muscles, and even brain function. Half a teaspoon of turmeric with a dash of pepper each morning is enough to help you stay strong and flexible through the years. Let's recap. Your morning coffee can be more than a pick-me-up, it can become a daily act of restoration. From the protein boost of milk, the blood sugar balance of cinnamon, and the circulation power of cocoa, to the steady fuel from MCT oil, the omega-rich benefits of chia, and the rebuilding strength of collagen and whey. All the way to the inflammation-fighting force of turmeric and black pepper. Each of these simple, affordable additions helps your body stay strong, mobile, and resilient after 60. So now, it's your turn. Which of these will you try first, cinnamon, collagen, or turmeric? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We read and reply with personalized tips to help you live stronger, longer, and naturally well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Age Mastery for more science-backed insights on natural health and longevity. At Age Mastery, we believe your best years are never behind you, they're just beginning.